What's up, guys? It's Hunter for Weekends on the Water. We're here at Lake Jackson. It's a memorial for Andy Frost. There's a bunch of boats here. It's not that big of a lake, but it's a really nice hangout spot. The water's really pretty here. So there should be a lot of boats. I've been seeing a lot of boats on the road and been hearing a lot about it. So we'll go through them.
Take the damn steering stick, you lift it off, and the button's right there. There ain't no wire to it. I said, there's a goddamn button somewhere.
Hey, you cleared that cowling?
Huh?
Under your cowling's good?
Good looking motor. Sounds happy.
It's good. I think Travis will split between them.
sounds like he was already strung it.
Yeah.
Here's the motor. Hear it?
Got a Liberator today that I gotta put a hydraulic jack plate on. He's going from this static 12-inch jack plate to an 8-inch hydraulic bobs. I'm gonna pull the motor, slide it backwards to where I can get in there and work on the transom bolts, get that out, and then I gotta wire in the hydraulic jack plate. So we'll take you guys through that today. I'm putting these paddle shifter style trim and jack switches on here. I didn't video. I had to pull the old trim switch, just the blinker trim. Had to pull that off. Pull the steering wheel off. This new one mounts a different way. It clamps on the helm. I got the steering wheel off. I'm ready to go back together with the new stuff. Got the motor pulled back. Just gonna leave it hanging here. I'm gonna take the jack plate off. Up here I got the trim switches all mounted. I actually like them. I think they look pretty good. They're comfortable when you're sitting in the boat. I've never used these, but they're actually comfortable to reach forward and trim up and trim down when you're running. Got the jack plate off. In case you guys are wondering, this is not how to silicone a jack plate on. Just need some silicone around the bolt holes. It's just way too much silicone and it makes it harder when you gotta swap things out. Trying to cut at it and scrape it all off of there and go back on with the new. All right, I got the jack plate all mounted up there. It goes pretty high above the pad. It goes about 1 inch below the pad. Should run pretty good with the setup. Looks good on there. Bob sends a pretty nice kit for these, for the pumps on the outside of the boat. They sent a whole wiring harness for it and everything. Worked out really good, really easy, dummy proof.